In this video, we will study about the various functions and tools of industrial engineering. So let us see what are the important functions. The first function is plant design and location. So it mainly deals with how to select the site for the plant and how to design the building for the factory, etc. We will see about that in detail. Next function is the facility layout. That means how the machines, etc., the plant should be laid out so that there is smooth flow of work. And the third function is the management and operations. And then you have production planning and control. So let us look at each one of these in detail. So first one is plant design and location. So this function include how to select the site at a global or local level. So that means if there is a big conglomerate, big multinational company, they can select site at different areas. For example, they can select site at, maybe if it is a textile manufacturing, they may select site at Bangladesh or China, like that. So it depends upon how there are several criteria for selecting the site. Then at the local levels also, for example, if you select a country, then in which part of that country you should erect your plant. So that decision is also a function of industrial engineer. Then this function also include design of the plan of the buildings. That means the building can be either single storied or multi-storied. This also we need to decide, that industrial engineer need to decide what should be it, that is a single story or multiple story. That also depends upon several criterion, depends upon the product and several other factors. And then you have the industrial engineer need to select, can we choose the existing building or modify the existing building, or you need to select a new site for, or we need to build a new plant, etc. These all comes under the functions of plant design and location. And then another function is the implementation of the existing processes or functions. So what all are the processes that are existing, and should we change the processes, should we change the functions of each one of it? That is also comes under the function of plant design and location. The next function is the facility layout. So this mainly deals with the arrangement of facilities or divisions or departments. For example, there are different types like the product layout and process layout. That means sometimes how we are arranging. For example, all the welding machines will be allotted in some area, and also all the shaping machines will be allotted in some area. Sometimes it will be made like this: there is a welding machine, there is a shaping machine, like that. So the machines and these divisions can be arranged in different manner depending upon the type of production. Like there are product layout and process layout. So this facility layout mainly deals with how you are arranging the facilities and divisions. So this helps in the integration of flow of resources. That means, so the facility layout should be in such a way that there should be smooth flow of resources. That means you are getting the maximum production in a minimum time. And we need to, sometimes this function also includes the improvement and modification of facilities as per need of changing external factors. For example, if there is less demand, then we need to arrange the layout in a different manner. Sometimes we may need to change the design depending upon the market condition. Then in that case also we need to change the layout. So this function deals with mainly the facility layout. So the third function is the management and operation function. So this mainly deals with, the industrial engineering mainly look at the changes that are required, that need to be, it can be with the process or the number of laborers, number of machines, types of machines, etc. So we need to identify, the management need to identify the changes that are required, and then they need to propose the improvement and give advice for smooth flow of work and improved efficiency. That means if they need to identify if there is any bottleneck, and they should propose the changes needed so that to streamline the operation. So that means they need to evaluate the man, material, and machines. That means how effectively are you using these resources. That means how effectively you are using material and how efficiently you are using the labor, etc. This all comes under the management and operation. Next function is production planning and control. So this is about planning of production activities for high efficiency. That means you are getting the raw material and finally you are converting that into the product. So you need to, so this is the production process. So you need to plan the production process so that we are getting the correct quality product. You need to control the various parameters involved in the production so that we are getting the required quality and required quantity. Sometimes if according to the demand, we may need to change the production activity, we may need to slow down the production and allocate the resources to a different areas. These all come under production planning and control. So you need to organize the facility and other resources for production targets. These production targets will depend upon forecasting, how you are going to forecast the demand. This also comes under the production planning and control. Then so scheduling is another function here. Scheduling means how you are going to allocate work to the various machines and various departments, and you need to coordinate all these activities to meet the production target. So this is the coordination with all functions for smooth workflow. Okay, so these are the important functions of industrial engineering.